It is Snake Skulls 34Z, and I'm doing another live private infected match. And it looks like he has gave us MP9 extended mag again, and L86 or L flippin' gay. I have to be first infected, so. Thought you were gonna give us throwing knives. That's messed up. It's messed up. These little ass wanna mess with me. Oh, looks like no one's on this. Oh, look like. Oh my god. Come on, freaking get him. And this is just gonna be. Freaking get him. Oh, I can't get him. What the hell? Oh, it looks like there's another of my kind. It's retarded. I wanted to be the only one in. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. I'm just gonna leave that guy alone. He's making me mad. I'm going the back way. Going that back way of a crazy train. Crap, he saw me. So, let's run this way. Watch, that guy's probably after me now. Well, go. Oh yeah, this is like the hot spot where they all like to hide. No one? No volunteers? Okay, well let's go find some pieces of crap. What they call themselves, survivors. Dun, 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 dun. Oh crap, he spotted me. Ah! How is he shooting me through a flipping wall? That'll be Jesus effing Christ. Got a guy. Got another one. Oh, I thought that was the guy right there. Turned out just to be a lame old tree. It's a tree, a tree, tree, tree. A cherry picking tree. Freaking get in the window! Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought that was the guy right there. And you go the back way. Going that back way to find that piece of crap. This guy's gonna be a piece of crap, watch. I'm probably the only one that's gonna find him. Shank. Shanked him. Shanked him. Shanked him. Boom. What? Oh, that guy. Dude, we will never be able to jump and get him. Going that back way of that crazy. Nope. No, I do not want to do that. Jump the freaking new window. I hate being first infected on private matches. That's the only thing I do is flip and camp. And I do not like it. Not the lot. No. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh, it's portable radars right there. No wonder why. Oh, I missed it. Go, you flippin' retards. Frick, I can't destroy it. Whoa! Come on, get to it, get to it, get to it. Come on, come on, lay down, lay down. Knife it, knife. Ah, I missed it. Come on, put. Oh, what? He jumped off? Where'd he go? I'm saying he went this way. Move out the flipping way. Go, move. Faggot. He's over here. And see, that guy that went over there is retarded. Cause I know where I'm going, but he does not. Oh, I'm going this way. Probably coming this way right now. Well, he expected me. That guy is smart enough to even expect me. That guy's dead. He's in the freaking ocean. Oh, yeah. He killed me. I like to go prone and be sneaky. Stay right here. Oh my god, he saw me. Let's watch the kill count for that. I thought that was the... Stop. How does he know I'm right flipping there? No, 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 no. I was about to lay down it. Oh, that was a victory. We finally got him. Let's watch the final kill cam. Look at this, right here. Didn't even see him. Boom, knifed him in the air. And I only got 2 kills that match, if you guys can see.